13 cuts of pop rock revivals from the country's ultimate champion under Viva Records with the carrier single, Honestly.
Tell me honestly.
Let's rock on ASAP 08 with the ultimate champion, Rachel Ann Go.
Rachel Ann Go, everyone. Lupit mo. Shen, kamusta yung shoes mo?
Thank you. Hindi nga ako makalakad.
Shen, you have something very special for everyone.
Yes, this is my 4th album. It's called Rachel Ann Rocks Live. It's my first time to do a live album.
Wow.
So, sana po supportan nyo. This is under Viva Records. And sunod po ito sa 19 East. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa 19 East. Thank you very much. Sa Viva Records, maraming salamat po. And yung kinanta ko, that was my carrier single, Honestly.
Oo nga pala, pinapahabol. From your ASAP family. And of course, you have mall shows.
Yes, on April 26, I'll be at SM Taytay. On May 14, sa Hardjack Makati. May 21, sa Circle Cafe Tomas Morato. And on May 24, sa Eastwood City Polybis. Yan, magbo-barter po ako. And to Mix Gems Fine Jewelry, thank you. Bell's Skechers, maraming salamat po. And Mr. Abel Bacude for my outfit. Thank you very much.
Congratulations on your new album.
ASAP family, thank you. Thank you very much, Luigi.
Now from